Hey guys, got a quick easy fix for a stepped-on wired Xbox headset. All you need is a couple zip ties and a razor blade. I just got some cheap ones. And then this flat razor scraper thing. And the key to this whole repair would be using the razor blade to cut little ridges into the plastic to make sure the zip ties don't slide off. It holds them in place real good. I torqued on the zip ties pretty good. The whole thing holds up pretty steady. Now I just gotta cut the zip ties and save myself 20 bucks. Get a better look. Focus, there it is. Alright guys, hope this helps.